Happy Halloween, ghouls and goblins! Welcome to my channel. I'm Sammy and this is Harley's Dollhouse. So I absolutely love Halloween. Halloween is my favorite holiday of the year. I love everything spooky. I love all the decorations that are out because it gives me new home decor, because I am one of those people that keeps their Halloween decorations up all year long. So I wanted to give you a short little relaxing video today. We're just gonna repaint, or I guess we're not repainting, we're going to paint a little Bulbasaur figure, which I thought was really adorable. I found him on Thingiverse. I mean, come on, look how adorable he is. I just absolutely love him. And there's also more holiday themed Bulbasaurs, which I might do for you guys if you like this one. And here are a couple short clips of me printing him out. I'm using PLA Plus, and the printer I have is a longer LK4. And now that he is done printing, let's go ahead and give him some paint. And instead of doing normal Bulbasaur colors, I wanted him to be more Halloween-y, so I decided to make him purple. I got the idea because last night I was looking around for some spooky Bulbasaur like color scheme ideas, and I found some that were like the Bulbasaur is purple, and I just absolutely fell in love with that. I feel like purple is a really good Halloween color. After doing 2 coats of purple, and he is dried. So for the spots, I decided to do a bright green. And for his eyes, I really wanted them to stand out, so I started out with painting them yellow and added some orange, and they kind of ended up looking like candy corn, which I feel like is very fitting for this Halloween Bulbasaur. I had some really cool bright green metallic paint, so I covered his spots with that just to make them stand out a little more. And using a dark purple, I'm just going through and lining around his mouth and his nose and his eyes just to give them a little more dimension there. And after he is all dried, I decided to spray him with some Mr. Super Clear and add some shading with some black pastel around on his eyes and the rest of his body. And now it's time to paint the pumpkin, so of course I'm going to go ahead and paint him orange all over. And add some black around his eyes, nose, and inside of his mouth. And off camera I also painted the inside of the pumpkin black because it just looked better. And to create some dimension to the pumpkin, so it just won't look so flat, I decided to mix a little orange and brown together and kind of just paint in the little crevices here of the pumpkin. And a little bit of yellow for highlights, And then our spooky boy is done. And it's time for the photo shoot. So what do you guys think about the spooky Bulbasaur? I think he turned out really cute and I just absolutely love him. Would you guys like to see more of the other holiday themed Bulbasaurs? Let me know in the comments down below. They even have a Thanksgiving one with a turkey on its back, and I think it's the best one I've ever seen in my life. But as always, thank you for your love and support for my channel. It really does mean a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I have another video up. Alright guys, have a safe and spooky Halloween. See you next time. Bye!